Ever wipe your screen and still see that ghostly fingerprint trail? Let's fix it fast with the YTT Touchscreen Mist Cleaner. In this video, I'll break down what this 2-in-1 cleaner kit does well, plus the trade-offs, so you know what to expect before you buy. First, it's a true 2-in-1 setup. A built-in 10 milliliter cleaning solution in the spray bottle, plus a microfiber cloth you use directly for wiping. Second, compatibility is broad. It's designed for touchscreens and works across phones, laptops, tablets, TVs, and even car screens, handy if you maintain multiple devices. Third, the formula uses active agents mixed with pure water. The goal is straightforward. Lift sweat stains, dirt, and fingerprints without leaving you with smeary residue. Fourth, the microfiber cloth is soft and meant for repeated use. That matters because screens scratch easily, and aggressive cloths are a common cleaning mistake. Finally, it's easy to operate. Press the switch, mist the screen, then wipe repeatedly with the microfiber cloth stored in the kit. The cloth can be washed and reused. Bottom line, for everyday smudges and fingerprints, this kit is convenient and practical. Spray, wipe, done. Just expect it to be a quick cleaner, not a miracle for deeply baked on grime.